Hey, it's Doug here, Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this beautiful 2014 GSXR 1000. This is Suzuki's full-size Superbike. Has the 999cc fuel-injected inline 4-cylinder engine, 6-speed transmission. This is a clean title, California bike. It only has 4,495 miles on the odometer. This bike is all stock and in great condition. Lots of power, very good suspension, handles great. It has a 3-mode power selector. You can select different modes for different conditions. Very responsive. This GSXR 1000 is a great deal at only $87.99 with finance options available. Stop on by Santa Clara Cycle and check it out. You can reach us at 408-730-0600.